Good morning, my lovely students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to my maths online class. So, my students, today in this class we will do a revision of number 13. We will do the counting of triangles. We will do one exercise related to number 13 in our book. I am also going to tell you about the place value. So these are the things which we learn in our today's class. So if you all are ready to learn something new, something excited, then you all have to show me your thumbs up. Very good, very good. So before we start our class, I request all my lovely students to keep your maths numeracy book with you, one pencil, one eraser and a color box. So you all have to keep all these things with you. So now let's start our today's class. So before we move on today's topic, let's do a revision of counting 1 to 20 through building blocks. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now I request all my lovely students to have a sip of water. So you all have to open your water bottle and drink little water. So now you all are done with water break. Fine. So now let's move on to today's topic. So my little tiny toes, this is number 30. This is number 1 and this is number 30. So it's become number 30. 1, 3, 30. 1, 3, 30. Now I request all my lovely students to open their numeracy book, where you have to open page number 1 to 92. This is the page which you all have to open, page number 9 to 92. So we will do the revision of the rhyme number 13. Although we already done in our last class, but let's do a recap of rhyme. So let's start. Hey you kids, look at me. Hey you kids, look at me. I am a scary zombie. I am a scary zombie. I wear black hat and a jersey. I wear black hat, a jersey. And I love number 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Very good. So now let's do the counting of triangles. Before we do the counting, I request you to remind one thing. You always do the counting from left to right. Left to right. Left to right. So let's start the counting from left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many triangles are there? 13 triangles are there. So now I am going to explain you about the writing part of numbers. My little tiny toes, the numbers which are having only one digit, which all numbers are there. The numbers start from 0 to 9. So the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. They are having only one digit. So we always write them under the ones place. So we always write the number from 1 to 9 under the ones place. And you all have to remember, we always write number 0 below 9. Right, my little tiny toes? Under the number 9, we always write 0. And because 10 and onwards, number are having 2 digits. So we are using 10's place to write such number. So if we want to write number 13, we are going to use 2 boxes. How many boxes we are going to use? 2 boxes, because they are 2-digit number. So we will write like this. We will write 1 under the 10's place and the 3 under the 1's place. Because they are having 2 digits, we will use 2 digits in the 2 boxes, because they are having 10's place. They are 2 numbers. So this is a very important thing which you have to remember while you are writing numbers above 10. Now I am come to the exercise part. So on the page number 9393, this is the page. You can see there are some hats. So you have to count all the hats and you have to just color only 13 hats. So let's do the counting. See how many hats are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 hats. But we are going to color only, yes, 13 hats. So we are going to use only 13 hats for coloring. Because in this month we will learn about the orange color and we will celebrate Orange Color Day on 25th. So what we will do, we will use orange color to color the 13 hats. And make sure whenever you do the coloring, color should not go outside the black color boundary. You have to be very careful and you have to do the coloring under the black color boundary, and always use wax color to color the picture. Any picture you can color and make sure the color should not go outside the black color boundary. So you can see I did the color and my color should not go outside the black color boundary. So this is the way you have to color 13 hats. How many hats we are going to color here? We are going to color 13 hats. So my little tiny toes, make sure color should not go outside the black color boundary. The color should be there inside the black color boundary, and you have to color how many hats? Only 13 hats, because we learn about the number 13. We learn about the number 13. Yes, my little tiny toes. And you have to make sure color should not go outside the black color boundary. You can see my green color board. I am doing coloring. But my color should not go outside the black color boundary. So you all have to be very careful and you all have to use only wax color to use color. So color is inside the black color boundary and I have used orange color, as in this month we learn about the orange color. So color should not go outside. So you all have to be very careful and you just need to color only 13 hats. You have to color only 13 hats. So this is the way you have to color 13 hats. So I request you have to complete this work in the class. You all have to complete it right now. And the below mentioned exercise is the homework for all of you. Yes, this page number 93, the below mentioned exercise is the homework for you. So my little tiny toes, I hope this video is useful for you, in which you have to learn more about number 13. You also learn about the places, place value. You also learn how to do the coloring and how to do the counting. So this is all for the day. See you in my next video. Thank you, my lovely students. See you.